I've got the trim.
And I've got the clips.
And today we'll be fitting M-TECHNIC side mouldings for our BMW E36 318TDS.
So, even before you purchase your nice new M-TECHNIC trim, there's a couple of things that you need to be aware of.
And that is, these little runners, we've got metal inside. When the metal rusts away, you're not connecting to your wing.
Like so.
Also, if you haven't got this metal lining, I'm not proper, so the back panels fit and the wings fit, but the doors don't. The doors don't sit flush with the mouldings.
Also be aware that the runners are steel and they do rust.
On real ones.
On the real ones, so if you are buying used M3 or M-TECH mouldings, have a gander at the back, get some pictures, because if they've gone, then you're gonna have to tiger seal the trim on, which I know is no great big deal, but
if you're paying for it, you want it to be right, don't you?
To be right. So get the pictures of the back if you're buying off eBay.
Damned if you do, damned if you don't.
Yeah, because we've learned the hard way. So first thing is removing the mouldings, and these are quite easy to remove because they've been off and the one clip was broken. So that's off. You're going to pull the grommet out, and because we like to do it properly here at BHQ, we're going to get some detailing, turtle backs. We're going to spray it. We're going to get all our gunk off from behind.
And here's something for the people who I've noticed now have started to follow our accent and our quiffs. Behind there is bombed up.
It is bombed up. Bombed means dirty. It is
you're bombed up. What have you been doing today? You're bombed up.
Bombed up. So we're going to get a new clip, and the part number for these will be at the end of the video, I'm assuming. And we are using one because there's one on already, and to be perfectly honest, I don't want to disturb the moulding too much. So we're going to push that one in like so, and they will clip like that. And we're going to get it levelled up. We're going to put one in there. We're going to put one in there, and we're going to push the top down. There we are. Oh, so the motto is, when you're buying off eBay or your second-hand BMW parts supplier, get some pictures at the back. Now, open the door, put it on the end, and these will just pop out. Remove the grommets which are left in, because if you do, your new trim are going to fit properly. And again, we'll get all that crap from underneath. It's nice and clean. So we've got the door trim ready to go on, and it does look like the door trims do fare much better than the front mouldings do. So we're going to put this one on and line her up.
I just want to start a video there, and people will be saying that's an M sticker, that's an M badge, but when we brought the car, we've got M steering wheel and it is a sport. So these are not badged up the way they are now. These are not M5.
M3
These are not M3 trims.
No.
They are the cores M3, M-TECHNIC. But what changed them is the little sticker on them. So M is like M Sport, and obviously M3. So let's get back to fitting them.
Also, don't switch off it. Also, the first owner did order the car with an M-TECH steering wheel and
Suspension.
the suspension and the black headlining.
So let's get back to fitting.
It's raining. So we're going to pull it off, and the best, I would say. Yeah.
Right.
So again, we're going to clean off the gunk with a quick detailer, as you do. And it is now degunked of all the crap. So we're now back to the back one, and these get them lined in, well, as close as you can. I'm a bit of a pain because I keep some of them move. Set.
You happy with that?
I am happy with that, yes. I am happy with that.
And that is one side fitted.
And I bet you, fitting those trim, it's put on another 5 bhp. It's got to do, hasn't it?
I've about 6. About 6. I mean, it's streamlined now, eh?
It is, yeah.
There's no bits sticking out. So we're going to do the other side now off camera, then we're going to reveal what it's like. Now just remember, we am doing some work on the other sill and the other art, so it's a bit
rougher on the other side.
A bit blue. We have got some things ready to go on the compact, maybe the next video or the video after that, which is exciting. Which has made us put this on. We're all a bit excited. We am a bit excited.
Yes, we are.